अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे और खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको कामयाब करें, आमीन सुम आमीन। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ ऐसे शेयर करूंगी इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना ऐसे। न्यूज़ means information about events and happenings previously unknown, especially unusual or notable, and newspaper is a typical daily or weekly publication containing news and opinion of current events, feature articles and advertisements. As the day starts, most of the people will like to see the world through the eyes of newspaper as if it were spectacles to gaze at the world around. In short, newspaper is the world's mirror. In fact, newspaper plays an important role as a positive source of learning. F.B. Sanborn is of the view the careful reader of a good newspaper can learn more in a year than most scholars do in their great libraries. Newspaper reflect discernment of renowned thinkers, reformers, philosophers, and scientists by publishing their latest report, researches, discoveries, and inventions initiated in different various fields of life for the learning of quiescent souls. Newspaper is a vital tool for advertisement as well. It plays a key role in inviting the attention of the public to the general provision of life. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry get attracted by the colorful presentations and advertisements shown in the newspaper. These advertisements instigate the people to buy things. Newspaper also propagates the acrobatics of politicians and the world politics. As John F. Kennedy says, mother may still want their favorite son to grow up to be president, but they do not want them to become politician in the process. That is what the newspaper does in its dire sequence. It also mobilizes public opinion on different levels to make the people get in touch with the current situation streaming in the world. Newspaper with its uses carries the information to the unreached from every walk of life. People can get in touch with their desired and required columns. Newspaper usually bears important decisions of courts of the lawyers, news plans of government for national solidarity, commercial news of businessmen wanting for the job hunting people, making and breaking of political parties, the winning and losing in sport, programs of entertainment in the world of showbiz, advancement in the field of education, articles and opinions of the scholars, innovation in the world of medical science, and many more. Newspaper has its dark aspect as well. It is double-edged weapon and cut both ways. Sometimes it misleads the people by publishing false and baseless news. It is a moral duty of newspaper to give impartial coverage. Newspaper regarding social crimes like gang rape, sex crimes, scandals, divorces, kidnapping, murders, indecent advertisements, and other such things are an integral part of the newspaper. The type of news create a bad effect upon the readers, but as compared with the use of newspaper, these abuses are far less. To sum up, newspaper fights for the just right of the people. It's like a watchdog against the misuse of power, pressure groups, and the monopoly of privileged and powerful people. It is like a thermometer. It records and interprets the heat and temperature of public opinion and reaction. Every person should develop a habit of newspaper reading because it provides information, learning and entertainment. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था ऐसे जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया। होप सो आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी। अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई वर्ड समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो आप लोग मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।